Implants for dental purposes are an increasingly popular alternative to replace missing teeth. However, many are concerned about price. Costs for dental implants will vary based on a variety of aspects, such as the amount of implants required as well as the material used as well as the location of the dental facility. One of the most important elements that affect the price for dental implant is the amount of implants required. If you just need to replace a tooth, the price is lower than when there are multiple implants required. Materials used to construct implants can affect the price. Implants made of titanium are the most popular type. However, zirconia implants are getting more well-known and are higher priced. Another aspect that affects the price of dental implants is place of the dental facility. Clinics located in cities or those in areas with greater cost of living might cost more in dental implants than dental clinics located in rural areas. It is essential to investigate various clinics and check prices prior to deciding on where you will obtain the dental implants you need. Alongside the expense of the implant itself, there are additional costs to be considered when purchasing dental implants. This could include the costs of consultations, X-rays, as well as any other procedures which may be required, like sinus lifts or bone grafting. It is crucial to take into these expenses when planning the cost of dental implants. A lot of people are concerned over whether insurance plans for dental care will pay for dental implants. Although some insurance plans might pay a part of the expense, others don't cover dental implants in any way. It is important to consult with your insurance company to determine what they cover, as well as to consider alternative financing options should you need. In spite of the initial cost for dental implants, they're an investment that will last for the long term for your dental health. In contrast to other options for tooth replacement like bridges or dentures, they can be a long-lasting option that will last for an entire lifetime if properly cared for. It can help you save cash in the end because they do not require regular repair or replacement. The cost for dental implants may vary based upon a variety of factors, such as the amount of implants required and the type of material used, as well as the location of the dental facility. Although the initial cost could be expensive, however, they can be a long-term investment for your dental health and can bring many advantages. It's important to investigate various clinics, think about other costs, and consider financing options that can make dental implants less expensive. Be sure to consider your dental health and speak with a dentist who is qualified to find the most effective solution for you.